Find out with me what was missing.
After lighting my entire yard, there was still one spot that just didn't look right.
And it took me way longer than I'd like to admit to figure out why. This is what finally fixed it.
Welcome to the 608, where I test way too many smart lights so you don't waste your money. I've got 180 Govee devices, so when something doesn't look right, I figure out why.
We've covered spotlights, floodlights, and tree lighting.
But right here is the part most people miss.
I had my focal points covered, but everything in between just disappeared at night. You can't really fix this with spotlights. They're too directional, they highlight, they don't fill.
That's where these come in.
These aren't for lighting everything. They're for soft, controlled, downward lighting. And as usual, everything you need's right here in the box. These are a heavy-duty green metal with metal stakes, screws to hold everything together. They're very sturdy. And here's where they shine, on low plants and flower beds. These aren't your main lights, but they do fill in the gaps. If you're trying to light trees with these, it's not going to happen. Spotlights highlight, these fill.
These often get overlooked because people don't really know where they fit. And honestly, I didn't either at first.
But once you start layering lighting, this is what your yard can actually look like. If you've got dark spots in your yard, this is probably what you're missing. At the 608, I'm testing how all these lights work together, not just individually, because that's what really matters. And don't forget to follow along and watch the rest of my spring refresh series.